Handa na ang entablado sa NBA Playoffs Conference Finals. Ito ay matapos ipanalo ng Indiana Pacers at Minnesota Timberwolves ang kanilang Game 7 itong Lunes ng umaga, oras sa Pilipinas. Yan ang ulat ni Rafael Bandairel.
At 2 seconds, Siakam, nice move, step back is good.
Mainit na shooting ang sinandalan ng Indiana Pacers upang mapanalunan ng serye kontra New York Knicks. Hindi naging balakid ang home court advantage ng kalaban nang dominahin ng Indiana ang home team, 130-109. Sinamantala rin ng Pacers ang kawalan ng ilang key players mula sa panig ng New York. Noong second half, nakatamo ng hand injury at hindi na nakapaglaro ang star guard na si Jalen Brunson. Muling bumida si all-star point guard Tyrese Haliburton na gumawa ng 26 points.
I knew, today's Game 7, I'll know the clip, have no regrets because I would hate to, be pissed all summer about not shooting the ball today. So, for me, it was just about coming out playing the right way.
Sa Western Conference naman, isang umaatikabong come-from-behind win ang nasungkit ng Minnesota Timberwolves. Matapos mabaon sa 20 puntos na pagkakatambak, unti-unting tinabas ng Timberwolves ang kalamangan ng Denver Nuggets kasunod ng kanilang 54-24 scoring run noong second half. Ang final score, 98-90. Malaking bagay sa panalo ang 23 markers at 12 rebounds ng all-star big man na si Karl Anthony Towns.
This is Timberwolves basketball. I think this was just a real showing of Timberwolves basketball at its finest, where it's a team effort. We got hype for players that we have, me, him included on this table, but like I said, we don't have a big three, we got a big 15. Every single person on this team means a lot to this team and they help in so many different ways.
Dahil laglag na ang Nuggets, tiyak na magkakaroon ng bagong kampiyon sa NBA ngayong taon. Makakatapat ng Pacers ang Boston Celtics sa Eastern Conference Finals, habang magtutuos naman ang Timberwolves at Dallas Mavericks sa kabilang bracket sa Western Conference. Rafael Bandairel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.